Hello, you guys. Welcome. This is going to be your solar plexus weekly chakra reading to help you tune up this zone of your energetic system. Thank you for joining me. You're on the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. So this is a pretty outstanding set of cards here as far as how they complement one another. Just on a surface level, I'm getting good vibes off of them. But I will go in here intuitively and see what actually emerges. So this is going to be about your sense of power and how you assert that. So this area feels very charged. If you're in your power, you have a really healthy energy going on here. And it's part of feeling aligned through and through, kind of all systems on right now. And definitely in your primal power, understanding your instincts as a way to how they can serve you, how they can serve your highest good, even though they are of the lower chakra system. I am getting a sense that you've moved energy into your sacral chakra, acknowledging that that area may need just some love and some re-energizing. And because of that, it's releasing any blockages that could be now in this chakra. And because you're healing the sacral, you could even be having some Reiki done here, or just some hands-on healing of, with massage, energy work. You could be putting stones in this area. But there definitely seems to be an acknowledgement that you need to restore the sacral. And by doing that, it brings your solar plexus even more strength. And it keeps it in the type of energy that it needs to be in, which is assertive and strong and, I don't want to say confrontational, but direct. Yeah, and I see that you're working with your passions here too. And there could be a strong blending between these things that we experience in the earthly realm that really heighten our spiritual nature and make our reality feel like a super reality, which I'm now getting as I look at the card from the Inner Earth Cities chakra that's supporting this. A strong confirmation of magic, of knowing how to move energy, use energy, so that it can create change. And in doing this, it's kind of the sensation that it gives you that seems to be the strongest element here. Just staying in touch with the sense of magic is such a strong, enlivening, motivating aspect of reality to take in, to hold on to. It's the power of, the child that has that imagination that there are fairy tales, and that their imagination's so alive that it becomes their reality. And so it makes you want to be engaged with life. It makes you see the extraordinary in the ordinary. And that's a wonderful place to be in. I'm looking at your soul star chakra card now. And this one, it goes with the other two really well, but it's got like a different spin on it. It's almost like an inside out feeling. So in this one, and it may just be happening at night, so you may be performing a lot in the day and expending a lot of energy. And then at night, you may be taking the opportunity to recharge and kind of let go of your sense of self, let go of having to give your energy out, and really allowing yourself to take in new energy and be, almost as if you're okay with like making yourself a blank slate and just take in something completely new and let it transform you. There's this real trust for the energies that are out there and how they can empower you. So I am going to stop there, and I want to thank you for joining me. Tomorrow we are going to do your heart chakra reading. Take care.